Hi. The other favorite side dish of Thanksgiving for me is green beans casserole. So I'm making a very simple green beans casserole. For this recipe, I'm going to use 7 cups of canned green beans. I like this one, which it comes out better, but you can always use fresh green beans. So I'm going to put this 7 cups from out of the can. I wash them. Okay, I got 3 cups of cream of mushroom. I got the can, and you can get any brands you want. And on this, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. And like half a teaspoon salt. And half a teaspoon black pepper. Slowly mix it. Okay, this is how it looks like. So we are going to bake this on 350 degrees, and for 40 minutes. I'm going to cover with foil for the first 20 minutes, and after that I'm going to open it. And I also have seen that people use fried onions while they are baking, but I don't like to do that. I add that fried onion at the end. So we'll cover it and bake it for 40 minutes on 350 degrees. 20 minutes covered and 20 minutes uncovered, and our casserole is done. I just took our green casserole out of the oven. Now I'm going to add the fried onion as a garnishment. Some people, as I said, they like to include it in the mix, but I don't like it because it gets soft. I like the crunchiness. So you can just put on top of it and use it as a decoration. And also you can put it with your dish. If somebody wants more, they can use it. So I hope you make it and enjoy it. Here is our yam with maple syrup and cinnamon and butter, if you like. And here is our green beans casserole, which I decorated with fried onions. And here is our roasted turkey. Perfect roasted turkey. And here is our garlic gravy. It's a perfect gravy. This is my secret gravy sauce, and it's so good. If you make this, you will never go back to different gravy. And here's our homemade cranberry sauce. And here is our the best stuffing you can ever make. I hope you make all these dishes and enjoy your Thanksgiving. I'm going to make them and enjoy them with my family. And thanks for watching, and see you again. Bye.